Hello everyone, welcome again. And today I'm going to show you demonstration of another project which is leave management system. So first talk about the technical details and about the project folder architecture. So it's following the MVC architecture. So here we have a bean package, controllers, exception models, and utilities. And for the front end purpose, we have a Beaver folder. Under the Beaver folder, it's contain all the CSS, JSP, and other files. And it's a Maven project, so we are managing all the dependencies here, the Maven dependencies. Also, for the backend purpose, it's using Servlet, and all the servlets are available under the controller section. And for the front end, it's using JSP, and under the JSP, we are using HTML as usual. Okay, so to run and deploy the application, we are using Tomcat, and application will run over the browser. So I'm going to run it and let's see the features and functionalities of the application. So currently my server is running, so I just stop it, and to run it, right click on it, go to run as, run on server, select the server as a Tomcat 8.5, click next, click finish. Automatically application will launch over your Chrome browser. And here, so you can see here, this will be your home page. There you will get a slider and some options, some footer over there, and again the home page. And under the guest section, we have two options: sign up and sign in. So let's understand the flow of the application. What are the requirements over for the this leave management? So if I move to my database section, and here we have a database for the leave management. Here we have two tables, like first is user and the holidays. Here we are managing the holidays, and here we are managing the leaves and users. So there will be three types of user into the application. The first will be admin, who can manage, and the users and like employees and the managers. And others, there will be a manager who can manage the employees of their department. Let's suppose the manager comes from the HR department, then that manager only can manage the employees that is coming only for the HR department. And another user will be employee. So I will show you the demo, and we log in one by one with the user. So first let's log in by the admin and check what admin can do over there. So I am going to use this email ID as a username and admin at the rate 123 as a password. So I am going to go here and log in as an admin. Also, if you see, there is no option to register admin. So admin will be a static user of the application, but yes, we can register as an employee or as a manager. So what admin can do here, admin can check the list of available users over there. Like there will be admin, there will be other employees and the manager. So employee can check, like admin can check all the data. Admin can perform the edit operation. Let's suppose I'm going to edit this user, so I just select, I just update the name, and I just update the records. You can see data is updated. Now if I check the list, you will see the record is updated. Admin also can delete the record by clicking on this option. The data is deleted successfully. Now you can see only 10 records is available. After that, admin can view the holiday list. So whatever the holiday list is available for the like a holiday list, it means whatever the user is going to apply from the leaves. And there will be a like if employee or manager going to apply for the leave, so there will be a leave description. So what are the approved or rejected leaves over there, so admin can check these holidays. When I log out the option, log out the application, and again I move to the sign in page, I can log in as a manager now, or as a, let's log in as an employee, and then we'll move to the manager. So let's suppose first we have a registration option as well. So I'm going to register as a user. So I just enter a dummy data, and for like if I submit it, it will give me an error, like there will be proper validation. So we have to enter the proper data. So I'm going to enter it as an email, and the contact numbers should be in a 10-digit phone number. And here I am going to select the department and the role. It's going to be a manager or it can be employee. So I'm going to select as an employee. The most important thing here, keep in mind the department. So I'm going to select this employee as a HR department. So I save it. So this employee will send it to the HR department. So if I view the user detail, the record is entered and the data will go to into the HR department. Now the manager who is come from the HR department, that only manager can view this employee, other manager will not be able to view this employee. So to check the detail of this employee, we have to log in as a HR employee, like manager of an HR department. So let's log in first and apply for some leave. Then we'll see how we can log in as a manager and approve the leaves. So I just log in as a newly registered employee, and I have an option here to apply for the leave. So these are the details. My previous details for this user is coming here, and the department is HR. I'm going to select the leave type. Let's suppose I want personal leaves and leave two. So from which date I need a leave. So let's suppose I want to leave from 24th October to 28th October, and here I need to display the description. If I can save, leave is applied. Now I can check the leave status here. So currently it's not available because I just applied. When I approve the list, it will be displayed over there. So I just log out from the newly registered user, and now if I am going to log in as a new user, as a manager, and going to approve that leave. So the user is from the employee from HR department. So I have to log in as a manager of a HR department. Other manager cannot see the data of this employee because it's not belongs from the same department. I sign in here. I can check the leave status. So I can see a newly user is registered over there and apply for the leave here. It should be approved or rejected. I have two options as a manager. I can approve it or I can reject it. Let's suppose I approved it. So now that leave is approved. Now if I log out here, and I go there, I log in again from that user, and if I check the leave status, now it's showing approved. Okay. Similarly, if manager or some admin will disapprove or reject it, it will be rejected. So this is a simple mini project in J2E using JSP Servlet, and these are the features and functionalities of it. And here we have a technical details about the application. So now, in case you need the source code, you can connect us over the WhatsApp, over the Gmail, over the Skype, and don't worry about the configuration and all things. So we have a complete remote support explanation services. So you can go there and ask their like inquiry about the project, and you will get the complete detailed pricing and the other services that we are providing over the Codebun.